Main focus is to come up with a bag. Ain't gonna be no slacking, ain't got time for none of that. Put it in their face. They already mad. Disappear while I'm stacking and they be like, where you been?
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It is your girl Chanté, and I am back with another video. If you're new here, what's up with it? Please be sure to hit that subscription button followed by the notification bell so you are updated when I post new videos weekly. On this channel, I focus on faith, fashion, lifestyle, and beauty. You get a little bit of all that in one on this channel. So in today's video, as you can tell by the title, I am bringing to you guys this box that I actually came across. I actually have two of them. The streetwear for men and women, and this is the brand called Heat. So to give you a little backstory about what Heat is a brand that takes designer clothes and puts together in a mystery box, kind of like if you have a subscription to Ipsy or maybe even Birchbox. You get a couple of products in there depending on which level you buy. They have streetwear, contemporary, and I'm not sure what the other one is. And they also do collaborations with other brands as well. I got the Black Friday sale for this Heat box, so I want to show you guys what I got. So I got both the men and women. I will be selling some of these items. You can check the description box. They're located on my Poshmark. Anything that you see on my Poshmark, I also have it on eBay. And if you want to just purchase directly through PayPal and send you an invoice, you can also do that. You just have to message me on one of my social media platforms and let me know what you're interested in. And yes, that's how we can get it going. So the box says here, open with caution. The contents of this box are extremely hot. That's cute marketing. So then you just open it up here. And this is the women's box, the first one. So you have your items. You can see the first item, and then it just says streetwear is a culture encapsulating fashion, art, and music, creating its own ideology. Heat.io at Heat. So as you can see, my woman's box was a lot better than, in my opinion, than my guy box, but I also don't really know guys' fashion. So it says thanks for shopping. I hope you see you again. Box of Heat is designed to be collectible, a piece of memorabilia to be kept for long term. Oh, we're talking about the actual box. They want you to collect the box and know that it's magnets on the side. I will be keeping the boxes because I have, if you've seen in my apartment haul, I have boxes that I keep like old stuff in, like memorabilia. So this is perfect, so I don't have to go to AC Moore and buy a new one. So the first item we have in here is this bralette, or this bra, this from Off-White. It comes with all the original tags on it and all that, and this is in a size, I want to say this is in a size small, 38. It's a size 38. So I don't know what that would be equivalent to, but I put in my, you actually get to customize, depending on which box you want. There are boxes that come with bags and sneakers. You can customize your actual sizing. So I put a small, so then I got this here. So this is the first item, and it is this Off-White bra. I'm not sure if I'll be selling this, but if you're interested in this Off-White bra, just hit me up in the description box below, or you can hit me up on any of my social medias and I will get back to you on that. So now this next item comes in this big bag, and it's an Off-White bag. It has the original packaging, it has the name of it, and this is the Tape Arrow hoodie. Off-White. Again, you get all the packaging on it. And then this is the hoodie here. So you've got the diagonal arrows on the side. Then you've got the big Off-White X in the back. And this is in an extra small. So like I said, the women's box definitely was a lot better for me. I actually knew the brands. You can definitely benefit from the resale value of these items from the women's box. So I've seen people on there get, more so the men, I've seen them get Amiri jeans. I've seen them get Amiri sweatpants, Palm Angel sweatpants. A girl got a Fendi scarf. So there's so much that you can get. I was definitely expecting a better Heat, because the Black Friday sale was like overhyped about how much value you were gonna get. But this box cost $410, and then again I will be selling these items to get the money back from this purchase. And that is the first Heat box, and this is the women's streetwear box. Next I have another streetwear heat box, and this is the men's streetwear box. Same packaging in there, telling you that the box is recyclable. Then the first item, we have another off-white item here. And it is these shorts here. Shorts have a pocket in the back. These are in a size medium. These are from this year. These shorts here. So if you're interested in these off-white shorts, just let me know, and you could definitely cop these for me. But yeah, this came in the box also. This brand also comes in their original packaging. ACW, A Cold Wall is the name of the brand. The sweater is nice for guys. I actually saw it on Farfetch for $560. So that's pretty lit. The sweater for the women's sweater for Off-White was like 400 and something, and the sweatpants, I think they were like $200 or $300. So you definitely got more of the value than the actual box. But the pieces are just not like hidden for me. But this is a nice sweater for guys. This I'm definitely selling, and this comes in a medium. This sweater crew neck comes in a medium, and it has that ACW right there on there. It's called the Glass Blower in charcoal. So that's what I got from the two boxes. You can definitely check out. I know that there is boxes available right now. They're doing a collaboration with somebody. I'm not gonna go for that one because I'm not really into the brand that they're collaborating with, but I'll wait for the next drop that'll include like a variety of designers. And I'm gonna actually hit them up and get some feedback from them on these boxes and what box will better suit my style. I think for the price, the women's box is a lot better. You're getting brands that you actually know. Maybe if you guys, let me know in the comments below if you know this ACW brand. And also too, if you're interested in buying any of these pieces, just let me know. But that's what I got from this heat box. I think that is a great gift that you can give for Christmas. It's a little bit late, took a little bit while to get here. It definitely came through DHL. So maybe if you do 3 Kings like me and my family, then you can order for next year. I know my brothers and my cousins, they all want to get a box because it's like a cheaper way for them to get designer clothes, and depending on which one they buy and the time that they get it, you can actually get some really lit stuff at an affordable price. So for $400, you get 2 pieces of designer things that could have cost you $1,000 or upward of $1,000. So I think that's pretty lit. I think that's nice that this is an option. I'm gonna connect with them and get some more details about the brand. I know that there's actually videos of people in the warehouse. They have so many different designers. Sunglasses you can get, shoes. Off-White seems to be a really popular brand. They do have Palm Angels if that's what you're interested in too, and some people even got a Mary Jeans. That's more for the guys and stuff. So definitely check out this brand called Heat. I will leave their Instagram and information below, and I will see if I can even find a promo code to share with you guys so that way you guys could check this out. And I'll see you guys in the next video. I hope you enjoyed. I hope you guys can go and get you guys a box. I heard that they're really limited. And let me know in the description box below if you know of any other mystery high-end designer brand boxes. I'd be interested to check it out. I think HYPEBEAST did one, but I didn't really see good reviews on it. So if you guys know of anything else, just let me know. I would definitely be interested in checking it out. Please be sure to give this video a thumbs up so we can push it to more people, and be sure that you are subscribed and share this video because sharing is caring. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. I hope you guys go catch some of this drip from Heat, and let me know what you guys get. And also too, if you're interested in buying any of these things, just hit me in the description box below. Just hit me in the comments below and I'll let you know. They're already posted. Some of these are already posted on my Poshmark. If there's something that's not posted on Poshmark that you see, let me know and I will get that over up there as soon as possible. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Okay, bye.